Welcome to day 3 of our 5-day Beginner's Inner Calm Challenge. Over the next 5 days, we'll explore 5 different meditations, each just 3 minutes long, to help you dip your toe into what could work for you. Today we're doing forehead focus meditation. Forehead focus meditation involves concentrating on the middle of the forehead, just above the eyebrows, where you visualize a soothing light to enhance relaxation and mental clarity. Let's begin now. Gently close your eyes. Start by taking 3 deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth with your lips slightly closed. Inhale. Now exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one now. Inhale. And exhale. Bring your attention to the space in the middle of your forehead, just above your eyebrows. This area is often called the third eye and is associated with insight and intuition. As you breathe in, imagine a soft, warm light beginning to glow in this area. With each inhale, this light becomes brighter and more calming. As you exhale, visualize any tension or stress dissolving away. Feel the area on your forehead relaxing with each breath out. Continue to focus on this warm, soothing light. Let it gently guide you into a state of relaxation and clarity. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to the light in the middle of your forehead. Keep breathing deeply and steadily. Inhale the calming energy and exhale any lingering thoughts or distractions. In the final moments, take a deep breath in, feeling the light and calmness filling your entire being. Exhale slowly, letting go of any remaining tension. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Great job! You have completed day 3 of the 5-day Beginner's Inner Calm Challenge. Carry this energy with you the rest of your day. We will see you tomorrow as we continue pushing towards inner calm.